Hey guys, Handyman Phil here, coming at you today with another TV mount installation. This time we'll be doing it above a fireplace with the ECHOGEAR EGLT2 extendable tilting mount. Let's go ahead and get this thing up on the wall. One of the things that we need to really think about as we get started with this fireplace installation is what type of fireplace, or specifically above the fireplace, do you have in your home? As you can see here, this is something where it's got drywall on it, and what we've done is we've determined that you've got some studs in here. We've got two studs, obviously an outlet, and any type of low voltage box are going to be mounted directly to a stud. If you've got something different, maybe that looks like either brick or something else that you're unsure about, please go ahead and reach out to ECHOGEAR customer service. And with the template here, obviously take full advantage of that. One of the things that you're going to want to go ahead and do is be sure you take the inside out. We're trying to go ahead and take advantage of these outlets here, but you'll notice that unfortunately they don't fit inside of the wall plate itself. So plan ahead, think about if you want to go ahead and put it either lower or higher. Some of the things that you want to think about too is, again, especially if you have a mantle, are you going to want to use the mantle or have anything on the mantle below the TV? When it comes to actually putting the TV up on the wall mount itself, one of the things you want to think about is trying to go ahead and actually extend the brackets and essentially get them to stay put, as opposed to it being all the way back. Pull that out as far as you can and try to go ahead and get that on first try. So one of the really cool things about the ECHOGEAR EGLT2 is it has a feature that allows you to go ahead and adjust the level after you've installed the TV. You can actually go ahead and adjust two screws on the top of the TV interface brackets, right or left, to make it go up or down to get that ideal level. When you're like me, you don't necessarily think through your installation as you're going through it. You get to the end and you go, HDMI cables, what do I do now? Simply go ahead, pull it out, take advantage of that extension. Again, you can even pan or swivel it just a little bit so you've got extra access to that HDMI connection. You can clearly see where it is here, and then just go ahead, reach on up, plug it in. Simple as that. Remember, ECHOGEAR's got a variety of different solutions for you. Take a look at cable management and power relocation kits, surge solutions, HDMI, soundbar accessories. You can go ahead and get everything that you need to complete your ideal home theater setup. Now that the TV's up on the wall, the last thing you're gonna wanna think about is the primary place you're actually gonna go ahead and watch the TV. And then obviously go ahead and adjust your TV for that viewing experience. Again, adjust your tilt or your pan. Get your tilt correct. Make sure that, again, for your primary viewing experience, which in this room is going to be on a couch, it's perfect for that and ideal. And go ahead and tighten everything down and enjoy. Hopefully this ECHOGEAR TV mount warms you up to the idea of mounting your TV above a fireplace. What else do you guys got? Fire 'em at me.